Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, and this is Microsoft Intune Microsoft Intra ID Complete Master Course from Zero to Expert, and this is video number 38 in this course. So in today's hands-on lab, basically we are going to learn how to deploy Microsoft 365 apps using Microsoft Intune in the real enterprise environment. So basically, if you see here, a Microsoft basically apps include application like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Microsoft Teams. So there are total 8 products which is available as of today in as part of Microsoft 365 app. So basically, instead of installing Office manually to every computer, Intune allow you to deploy the application automatically to 100 or even thousands of devices just with a few clicks. So, for example, you can imagine, let's say you had 100 employees, and without Intune, the IT team need to install all the Office application on each laptop or desktop one by one. But if you have an Intune, we simply create a Microsoft 365 app deployment policy and select the required application as per your requirement, and then assign this to users or device based on the and then requirement, and then from there Intune automatically going to install all these Office in assigned Windows machines basically. So that's what we are going to do. So before going ahead and doing the basically lab, let's understand um, basically first understand what is Microsoft 365 apps actually. So as we discussed, Microsoft 365 app is a collection of productivity application basically that help you to create document, manage emails, analyze the data, collaborate with Microsoft team, and store files securely. So these applications include such as Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, OneDrive, and many more basically. So let me show you. If I go, this is my Intune admin center, and if I go to apps basically and go to all apps, so we already deployed these 3 apps in last video. Now I'm going to click on create. So we are trying to create a basically policy. So if I go here and select Windows and then select, you should be able to see Microsoft 365 apps. So if I click here, so it's going to applicable for Windows 10 and later. So now add Microsoft 365 app installation and choose whatever app you want to install. So click next, and now uh, leave everything default here and just click on next. So now you will see here configure, select the Office app. So you should be able to see here we got total 8 apps by default. If you want to install Skype for Business, you can select that also. But this is the overall basically application which is part of Microsoft 365 apps. So we got Access, Excel, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, Teams, and Word. And then you can select any other application also, like if you have, you can select the project online desktop client and Visio online also. So based on your requirement, you can select the product. And now let's understand basically why organization prefer deploying Microsoft 365 using Microsoft Intune instead of installing Office manually to every computer basically. So there are multiple benefits. Very first thing is centralized management. So IT administrator can deploy, update, and manage basically Microsoft 365 app for all users from a single Intune console. So it's not going to be only support installation. You can basically do upgrades also. So if you have any other version, it is basically going to uninstall those things. Version install, if you want, you can basically, let me go ahead and show you. So current preview, if you have anything specific, you want to go with any specific version, you can install that specific version also. So basically you can have a granular level control. And the second is benefit is consistent deployment. So every employee receive the same Office version, the same application, same configuration, ensuring the standard enterprise deployment for your organization. Save third one is save time. So it saves a good amount of time. Instead of installing manually on each device, Intune can automate the entire installation and upgrade process for Microsoft Office 365 apps. And then another major benefit is improvement productivity. So new employee get application like Word, Excel, Outlook, and PowerPoint automatically, allowing them to start working basically immediately without waiting for IT support to install all these applications. And finally, security is greatly going to be enhanced because Intune basically help keep Office application updated and basically uh, with the latest security patches and allow administrator to enforce the company policies basically. So this is why Microsoft Intune has become one of the preferred solution for enterprise to deploy MS Office. Basically, it saves time, improves security, provide consistent user experience, and make basically application management much easier for IT administrator. So now the process is very simple. Basically, Microsoft 365 app deployment workflow. So first create a application, configure, assign, and deploy, and then it's going to install the Office on all machines, and you need to deploy, basically monitor the installation. So let me show you. So I got three machines which we have. So if I go and show any of these machines, we don't have Office basically installed on these machines. So installed app. So this machine does not have a Microsoft Office as of now. So we are going to basically install Office. So let me search for, let's say, Office 365 or maybe 365. So you see we have a Copilot, but not the main Office app. And if I search for, let's say, Word or Excel, we don't have this is installed on any of these machines. So what we are going to do, we are going to create a package and policy to install Office 365. So this is the same. So let me go here again. So create and then platform. I'll go ahead and select Windows. And then this is important, Microsoft 365 apps. And then select. And then I'm going to leave everything default here. And then I'll go ahead and select, let's say, uh, everything here except Skype, and then this is going to be 64-bit and default file format I'm going to use um, Office Open Document format, and then update channel I'm going to use the current update channel, which is preview level, or if you have, you can select the monthly enterprise channel also. So this is I'm going to select, and then I'm going to install the latest version, and then everything looks good. And use the shared computer activation is required if you want to have install Office on maybe on you can say on RDS host and all. So this is good. So now click next. And if you want, you can select language also. If you want any specific language, you can select that language also. So by default, it's going to Intune will install the default language for operating system, whatever operating system is having the default language. So I'll go ahead, click next now. And here I'm going to make it required for all the devices which is available in Intune. Next. And then this is going to be name and other details. So I'll go ahead and just click on create. So now it's going to save the application Microsoft 365 configuration, and now you should be able to see we got this Microsoft 365 app for Windows 10 and later is created, and now this is good. So currently we don't have any machine basically is reporting to this. So what I'll go ahead and I'll try to basically sync my devices. So it will get synced with Intune, and it will try to then go ahead and apply the policy. So I'll go ahead and select all my machines. Just click next, create, and now these machines should be synced in some time, and then it's going to uh, do the installation. So also if you want, you can go here and sync the machine manually. So accounts, then basically here, and then I'm going to select information, and then I'm going to click on sync. So you can see here Microsoft Intune management extension enforce completed. So this is good. So it's basically going to sync the apps from Microsoft Intune, and in some time it's going to deploy those apps which we have just selected. So now select the application during the deployment. So based on your requirement, you can select all the application which we already did, and then assign app to user or devices. So based on user or devices, you can select the basically assignment for the app. So in our demo, we have selected all the devices which is there, and now basically monitor deployment and verify office installation. So this installation is going to take some time, and so basically we need to wait for sometime, maybe sometime it's take 5 to 10 minutes to get the installation reported. So if I see here, still we don't have anything reported. So let's wait for this. And while this is syncing in the backend, let's discuss basically what is the enterprise best practices for Microsoft 365. So uh, m- uh, basically, these practices are followed in the most of the real production environment. So the first one is always keep your Microsoft 365 app updated. Microsoft regularly release the security patches, bug fixes, and new features. So keep apps updated. Basically, going to help you to protect your organization from vulnerability. So whenever there is a new version, you should go ahead and update that version. Second one is use targeted assignment instead of deploying to apps to everyone. So, for example, if you want to have some specific application to HR department, IT department, so you can basically create a different policies for each department and make sure their machines or user are correctly assigned for the deployment. Then third one is info security settings. So use Microsoft Intune policy to control Office security features such as block micros from the untrusted files and enable security baseline to protect your company data from basically Microsoft. Um, Unwanted threats. So this is what we have already did in last video. We have configured the basically ASR rules and all, which is going to help us in making sure our data is basically safe and have correct configuration to protect our infrastructure. So if I go and select, you should be able to see here. If I go to configuration, basically, so you should be able to see you should have block office application from creating executable content, so you should have a security policies in place for making sure your machines are protected. And finally, monitor your deployment on regular basis. So review installation status, identify failed device, and resolve the issue before users are going to be impacted by the policies which you have created for deployment. So in short, remember these four best practices. So keep apps updated, deploy only to the right users, secure your office application by implementing the security baseline, and continuous monitor the deployment health. So following these simple steps will basically make your Office 365 or Microsoft 365 app deployment is going to be reliable, secure, and easy to manage in any enterprise environment. So I'm going to pause the recording now. So I'll wait for some time because the installation is going to take some time to get the Office installed on my machine and report to basically to the console on Microsoft Intune. So you can see no data to display because the machine does not have reported yet. So it's going to take some time. So I'm going to pause the recording here, and once the machines are reported, I'll go ahead and resume from there. So currently I'll go ahead and try to sync. So let me see. So you can see the last notification was for Monday to install Notepad++. It's going to start the installation soon. Just we need to wait for some time to get the Office basically downloaded and installed. Now I can see basically Office is installed on all my machines. So you can see Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and everything is installed on IT machine. And let's verify the basically second machine, which is HR machine. Also, HR machines also got all the application installed, and now this is the final and last machine. Sales machine also got these apps installed. So this is good. Now if I go and open settings and go to apps, installed apps, and then you should be able to see here Microsoft 365 app for enterprise is installed. So this is good, and the date is today, so 28th July 2016. So this is good, and now this is my let's verify here the status for Microsoft 365 app for Windows 10. So now you can see all three machines are showing installed, and if I go to device installed status, you should be able to see here we got basically these machines, all machines having basically three machines. So we got this is installed, and user also for the users you can see the HR, IT, and sales, all three users, the installation is completed. So this is pretty much uh, what I wanted to show in this demo. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe me for more videos. And if you have any query, any question related to this, you can always post me my given mail IDs. Thank you once again. Bye bye.